This video will be for addition of algebraic expressions. So how do we add two algebraic expressions? Let's take an example. 2x plus 3y minus 4z, and I have to add it with 4x minus 2y plus 3z. I have to add both these algebraic expressions. Now there are two ways to do it. One is I can do it horizontally. The other is I can do it vertically. So I will first teach you how to do it horizontally. What does horizontally mean? It's just in one line. So I write over here 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 4x minus 2y plus 3z. Okay, now what I do is I look at the like terms over here. We learned in the last video that like terms are terms which have got the same variables. So let me see over here. I have 2x, I have plus 4x over here, then I have plus 3y, I have minus 2y over here, minus 4z, I have plus 3z over here. So I have brought the like terms together. Now what I will do is I will add or subtract according to what the operation should be over here. So 2x plus 4x will give me 6x. 3y minus 2y. Here there are numbers with two different signs. The sign of 3 is greater, that is positive. Since the signs are different, I subtract 3 minus 2 is 1y minus 4z plus 3z. Okay, so again here the sign is minus because the sign of 4 is greater. Subtracting, I will get 1z. So when I'm writing my answer, I will just simply write 6x plus y minus z. I don't need to write this one actually. So this is how we add horizontally. Now let's see how do we add vertically. Now vertical addition is this way. I have to write it in a column. So I'll write over here the first algebraic expression 2x plus 3y minus 4z. And now the second one, I will look at exactly what is, if I have an x term, I'll write it below that. So it's 4x, I have minus 2y plus 3z. Now I add it or over here, let's see. So over here, z minus 4z plus 3z will give me minus z. I told you I don't need to write the 1. Plus 3y minus 2y will again give me y plus y because the sign of 3 is greater. 2x and 4x will give me 6x. My answer is still the same. The answer over here and the answer over here is still the same. So you can either add vertically or you can add horizontally. Subtraction is something a little bit of a trick because here when we do subtraction, we have to be very careful with the question in the first place, because here it says subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from 4a minus 6b minus c. If we write this first minus this, you are wrong in the beginning itself, because I am telling you to subtract this from this. I am taking this out from this. So I'll have to write this expression first over here. So it is 4a minus 6b minus c. Now, since it is subtraction, I have to put it in a bracket. This term I'll have to put it in a bracket. So it is 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Now, the reason for putting it in a bracket is because whenever there is a minus sign outside a bracket, the signs inside change. Because this minus, it's actually like a minus 1 over here. It's multiplying with the first term, it's multiplying with the second term, it's multiplying with the third term over here. So when I say minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus. So all the signs inside change when I open the bracket. So let's see over here. So again, what I'm doing is I'm doing it horizontally for you. So here it is 4a minus 6b minus c minus into plus minus, so 2a minus into minus is plus 3b minus into plus is minus, it is 4c. All the signs inside have changed. Plus has become minus, minus has become plus, plus has become minus. Okay, so again, the same things happen. I bring all the like terms together. So it is 4a minus 2a minus 6b plus 3b minus c minus 4c. Okay, let's see. 4a minus 2a. Subtract because signs are different. Sign of the greater number is plus, so I'm writing it over here, plus minus 6b plus 3b. Now here sign of the greater number is minus. I have to subtract. So 6 minus 3 is 3b. Both the signs are same, so I have to add. So I put a common sign minus over here. 1 plus 4 will give me 5c. Here when it says c over here, it again means there is a 1c over here. So when I add it, it becomes 4c. So this is how we do it horizontally. Let me tell you how to do it vertically. Now I'll write the same expression again over here, and I will place the numbers or the terms with the same signs below, or like terms I'll put it below, one below the other. Okay, so let's see. Now here I have to subtract, so I have to write here 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Remember that I have to change the sign, so all the signs change over here. So here it was plus, so this will become minus, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. So what's left over here? Minus c minus 4c will give me minus 5c. Minus 6b plus 3b will give me minus 3b. 4a minus 2a will give me 2a, because the number 4 has got a greater sign. So this is the way I subtracted. Again, when I see both the answers, both the answers are same. So either you do it horizontally or you do it vertically, does not make a difference. You still have to follow the rules, and you do it, your answer will be correct. If your answer is correct, does not make a difference in whatever method you follow.